In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personalized story with Gemini Storybook. First, open your Gemini account. Launch the Gemini website or app and make sure you're signed in so everything is synced and ready to go. Give the interface a moment to load. A stable connection helps the story generation run smoothly. Next, look for the section called Gems. This is where Gemini groups specialized tools that are tailored to different tasks. You'll usually find gems in the main menu or sidebar. Click Gems to open it and take a brief look around so you're familiar with the layout. If the layout looks a little different on your device, don't worry, designs can vary slightly. The key is to get into Gems where the Storybook option lives. Now, click Storybook. This opens the storytelling workspace designed specifically for crafting narratives. You might see it as a card, tile, or option within the Gems page. When you open Storybook, you're entering a space optimized for structured storytelling, so it's perfect for children's tales, short fiction, or even character-driven adventures. Here, enter your prompts and wait patiently while Gemini generates your personalized storybook. Think of your prompt as clear directions for the kind of story you want. Include who the main character is, the setting, the genre or mood, and the audience you have in mind. The more specific and positive your guidance, the better the result. For example, you could specify a brave main character, a cozy forest setting, an upbeat tone, and an approximate length. You can also mention the age group if you're writing for kids, any themes you'd like to highlight, and content boundaries you want respected. If you already have a title in mind, add that too, so the story centers around it. After you enter your prompt, give Gemini a moment to work. Generating a cohesive story can take a bit of time, especially if your request is detailed. Avoid refreshing or navigating away while it's creating your content. When the story appears, read it through from start to finish to experience the pacing and flow as intended. If you included specific elements in your prompt, like a twist ending or a particular narrator's voice, notice how those show up in the final result. And that's it. By opening your Gemini account, clicking Gems, selecting Storybook, and entering a thoughtful prompt, you've created a personalized storybook with clarity and ease. Enjoy exploring different ideas, tones, and characters, and let your imagination lead the way as Gemini brings your vision to life.